Hello everyone, greetings from Language Retreat. We are beginning our vocabulary series today. Okay, we are beginning it because we feel a need that we need to introduce new words. We need to start using new words in our conversations. Okay, whenever there is an incident when we have to repeat a particular word, okay, if we are aware of its synonym, it always improves the quality of communication, right? And when we talk about building a vocabulary building is not an overnight job. Okay, you cannot just dream about having a good vocabulary and the next morning, your vocabulary is improved. No, that is not the case. We need to work, we need to be slow but steady when we are improving our vocabulary. Okay, it is not an overnight process. We need to be regular at it. Okay, so the best way of doing it is knowing 5 new words every day, knowing their meaning, knowing how we use it in a sentence, knowing their pronunciations correctly. Okay, so that is the way to move forward. And it has to be steadily done over a period of time till you see the results of it. Okay, so keeping that in mind, we are beginning with this series. The 5 words for today, as you can see on screen. Let us go through them one by one. The first word of the day is myriad. Myriad. Myriad means a variety of. So when you're using it in a sentence, you would say there are a myriad of opportunities. Okay, rather than saying a variety of opportunities or varied opportunities, you can use a term, there are a myriad of opportunities. Earth hosts a myriad of animals and birds. So it is not just large quantity, but which also includes a variety, right? So that is myriad. Second word is amateur. Amateur is someone who is an expert at his skill, at his art. Okay, but he's not a professional. He does it because he likes doing it. He does it as a hobby. Okay, but he's not a professional at the skill. So this contest is open only for amateurs. Or we can say he's an amateur photographer. So he's a good photographer, but photography is not his profession. So he's a amateur photographer. The next word is allure. Allure meaning to attract or to entice. Now, allure can be used as a verb or as a noun. Okay, there are some words, right, which we use as a verb and as a noun. The first sentence here, the beautiful colors of the flower allured the bees. Here, the word allured is used as a verb. It is the action in the sentence. But when you use it as the allure of colors, here, the allure is a noun. The allure of colors cannot be ignored. So, allure means to attract or to entice. Antique. Antique is something which is preserved from ancient times. And since it is so preserved, it becomes valuable, it becomes expensive. Then you call it as antique. So this antique brass pot belongs to the 16th century. So since it has been preserved over time from the 16th century, it has become valuable. It has got its value has increased overfold. So this house is antique, meaning it has been preserved over many years and still it looks so good, right? So it is valuable. That is antique. The last word for the day is assault. Assault is an attack in simple terms. Okay, but it can also be used for verbal attacks, physical attacks, including weapons, is what we mean by an assault. Okay, but an assault can also be used when we refer to insults or criticism, verbally when you attack somebody. So the army made an assault on the enemy. Here we are referring to a physical assault using weapons. She launched a verbal assault on the opposition party. So here it is not a physical assault, it is a verbal assault, assault using insults or criticism against the party. Right? So myriad, amateur, allure, antique, and assault. Those are the words for today. You should be revising those words, okay, understanding their meanings thoroughly. I would advise you to make one sentence each. You know, you've learned 5 new words today. So make an attempt to make 5 sentences, 1 sentence per word. Okay, once you've understood the meaning well, try making your own sentence about using that word. So that will help you recollect that word whenever needed, you know, in your communications. So yes, that is it for today. And we would meet again tomorrow with another set of 5 new words. Keep up with this task of improving your vocabulary and keep walking on this path of improving it. Bye. See you.